Hello again. I am doing today rainbow, but I'm doing on a bloom recipe. Plus, I'm going to blow from the top after putting my cell activator. So this is first time I'm doing. So bear with me and let's get going. See how it goes. It could be complete failure, but you don't know until you try. I shot cup here, which I'm going to put all my rainbow paints in it. So first I'm trying with magenta because I want magenta on the top. So let's get, I already checked the consistency of the paint. I want thick and it is thicker. So it's like just one spoon, just small spoon. So I'm just putting 1.5. And I have laid, you can see, as you can see, the pillow is already down there. Hoping to not put, I didn't put too much pillow, but I'm hoping it moves. So I've got 2 paints down, magenta, orange and yellow. I hope they all fit in that small cup. And yellow. Yellow is big, thinner than the other 2. Then I'm going for green. Something got there. Let me just get it out before I pull. As I said, I'm not sure how it's going to go. It might go completely wrong and total failure, but don't know until you try. Just a little bit more. Just want to cover. Okay, I got, oopsie, don't drop. Got blue now. So I think that's enough. Yeah, it's enough. As you can see, it's quite a lot of paint, so I haven't put that much pillow, but still I want to tilt it, so that's the reason why I just spread it, the pillow, so it'll be easier for paint to move. A little bit more. Am I going in the right sequence? I think I'm in order. Okay, stop now. And the last one is violet. Hope I have got enough space for violet there. So just 1 spoon I'm going to put. Okay, let's see how it's going. So now I'm going to start. I'm going in a circle like I do my rainbows. So, ooh, quite thick. My goodness, it looks so beautiful. I might do one rainbow in rainbow without cell activator. I'm waiting magenta to get down. There's quite a lot, but can't see any. Oh, it is dropping now. So slow down as you go down. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah, it's beautiful. So let's try to do bloom on a rainbow. So, and I'm going to ruin that. I just want to try. So in the middle. Okay. Now going to blow. That's it. Just going to leave that. You see that lovely blessing there? It's quite a lot there, but that looks nice as well. I'm just waiting pen to come in the middle and then I can start tilting. What I do, maybe a little bit low there. Just tiny bit this way. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, it looks so nice on the side. I'll do the one rainbow pour soon as well. Just a rainbow ring. Come in the middle. It's just a little bit more. It gets covered. If it doesn't, I'll still keep those the rings outer ring. Right, I'm going to get started this way. Okay, stop. Go on the side. Okay, I'm going to keep that one and I'll go down. I'm going to leave it as it is now because I think it looks really beautiful. So go back in the middle. Oh, I got one fly from somewhere. Go away! Right. Just a little bit this side and other side, and I think I'll be done. You can see now how it looks. Close look to this, and I'll give you the one close video of those cells. It looks nice. I can see, you may be able to see some rings here and some there, so it is quite what I wanted. Part of it got too busy here, but this is lovely listing down there. But never mind, you don't always get what you want, but still happy what I got. So thank you for watching. I'll give you another close look to this bloom. I'll see you soon. Bye. So this is how it looks. You can see some rings here, and you can actually see here too. There's that bit. It's lovely lacing. It's a bit busy down here, but when you have cell activator more in the middle, that was happens. Like, oh my goodness, look at this. In the middle, the orange, green and blue in one cell. It's lovely lacing there. And here I got some rings too. So it's quite, I mean, not exactly what I wanted, but it's kind of success, to be honest. So thank you for watching, guys, and I see you on my next video. Bye.